Hello guys, I'm Ronel Billy and I'm from BSIT3C, and ngayon papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-connect ng dalawang computer using P2P cable. First of all, we have to open our Cisco Packet Tracer, this one. Yan. After that, lagay tayo ng 2 PC, 1 and 2. After that, double click natin tong PC1. Hanapin natin yung host NM1FFE. After that, turn off natin yung PC. Drag natin to. And hanapin natin ulit ito. Yan. Turn on natin. Same lang din sa computer na isa. Off. Drag. Yan. After that, connect natin to using fiber. Here is this one. See? And after that, we have to change the IP address and change it to unique. When I said unique, wala dapat siyang kaparehas. Example na ito. 92.168.100.1. Automatic na yung subnet. Dito. Sinabi ko dito, unique. We have to turn on the PC first. Here. No. Unique 128.100. Ano yung kanina? 1. Dito is 2. Yan. Let's see, tignan natin kung makakapadala siya ng message from PC1 to PC2. Simulation. Yup. That's it. Ganun lang ang paggamit ng fiber cable sa P2P.